So welcome to online tutorial channel. So today I'm going to show in Excel date functions. So date functions, we have many functions available in date. So one of the function is we can see the function is today. So when you put today, you will get that today current date, and you can also make it a calendar by A1 plus 1. So you can make it like this, and you drag like this, you will get exactly the calendar like this. So today is a function which will help you to find the current date of the system. Okay, so now the next step, I would like to know the Sunday and Saturday, which day is Sunday, which day is Saturday. I want to know that. So in order to know, I want to highlight the two dates in a yellow color. So what to do for that, you can select the whole column. You go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, go to more rules. In more rules, you can use formula to determine. So where you can type this one, I can say this R at A1 weekday of A1 is equal to 1, and weekday A1 is equal to 7. If both are any one condition is satisfied, so you can change the fill color as yellow, the font color will be a green with the bold italic, and you can also set border if you want to highlight this. So you can set OK. So automatically you will see this all the Saturday Sunday will be the yellow color. So when you drag this, that will go on like up to the limit, you can drag this. So this is we call the conditional formatting. So in conditional formatting, so you can edit the rule at any time. You manage the rule, you click the rule, and you can edit the rule. So in this rule, what we have defined, so weekday is equal to 1 or weekday is equal to 7. Suppose the 1 is a Sunday, 7 is a Saturday. If any one thing is missing, you can change the color of the cell. So this is where we can use the conditional formatting along with the date functions. The date function which help you to easily to know the current date and to know the to format it. And you can also use this another function we can call the, for example, you can say today function you can use, and suppose you want to that Independence Day. So what is our Independence Day? We want to know that. So 15 8 of 1947. So we want to know that things, you can have this minus this. So this is 2183 days, the difference. So which means, so this one you can divide it by 365. Exactly 76th year has completed. We are running in the 77th year.